pretty impressive. It's just from the very beginning, the first at bat, the quality of the at bat, the takes, not panicking, just under control. He got ahead and still was able to take pitches close to the strike zone, and just the way he was taking them. There was rhythm, he's on time, like pretty good idea. Obviously, something that we've seen in the past. The way he controls the strike zone, but man, he was pretty much perfect at the plate today, and it was just good to see that.
With AJ, a lot of the talk is about his athleticism and his speed, but that strike zone discipline, was that even more than you maybe anticipated, especially for a major league debut where guys are going to innately be nervous?
Yeah, I don't think you see that right out of the gate. You see that from players coming up through the system, and they have a pretty good understanding of the strike zone, but not till you get here, the quality of the pitching, obviously, and you're going to be jumpy at times. Today, he was just under control from the very beginning. And like I said, it's pretty impressive. Didn't give up any at-bats away. That's the other thing. And there's the 3-1 takes with runners in scoring position, not trying to do too much. Like, he's just under control, and you don't see that from players when they first get to the league.
What do you know on Alvarez?
He's going to get an MRI tomorrow and see what we got. Yeah, we just got to wait. He didn't look good on that swing. Obviously, we saw it right away, and he came out, but we got to wait.
Ken?
How much of an impact do you think Ewing's presence and the at-bats that you just talked about had on the rest of the team? Is it kind of a carryover effect?
We're going to need him and everyone in that room. It's not fair to put it just on him, but the fact that he's able to keep the line moving, give you quality at bats, and with him right now hitting at the bottom of the order, the more we can turn that lineup over, we're going to have chances to score runs. But yeah, like I said, we're going to need him and everyone in there.
Thanks, Carlos.
No, thanks, Fred.
Nobody else